Have you ever wanted to digitize your own lace designs? Then this course is for you. This course is part 1 of 3 in the Freestanding Lacework series. In this course, we'll be digitizing a basic bookmark. Now, we'll start off by looking at the different types of lace. You can see that some are more manually digitized, they have a lot of little objects, and some, like these two, have sort of a mesh background fill that makes it easy to create a freestanding thread-only design. This is the type of style we'll be working with in our design. Now, all freestanding thread-only designs require some sort of framework. When you stitch a normal embroidery design, these are direct embroidery designs, you're stitching them on fabric, and those stitches are supported by fabric and stabilizer. Freestanding lace, however, must have extra structural stitches, or when you wash out the stabilizer, you're just going to have a wad of thread. So we'll start by testing some mesh fills. And we'll just digitize some different samples, test sew them, so that we can understand what works and what doesn't. Of course, the key to getting a good lace result is knowing how to hoop and stitch. We'll cover tips for that. We'll talk about how to rinse out the stabilizer, how to dry it, and how to shape it. Once we have all that down, we'll begin digitizing our basic freestanding lace bookmark. We'll go through this step by step so that you understand how the fills are created, how the stitches are optimized, how to build the structure to maintain design integrity after that stabilizer is removed, and why we don't always digitize from the first object in the sequence list down to the bottom. Sometimes we have to digitize some other things and then come back and add other things in. We'll also talk about how to minimize unnecessary bulk and trims. So once you have this basic bookmark digitized and tested, then we'll move on to 2 more courses. And in those, we'll add some lettering and we'll create a rose design. So in part 2, we'll do the personalizing. We have an instant option, and then we have a more advanced option with cutouts. In part 3 of the series, we'll make more decisions and make a more complex design yet. So where do you find this course? You'll find this course and the series in the Hatch Academy All Access. Yes, you can digitize lace. Come join us.